playing the Battle Cats. Yeah, it's free. Yeah, it's a fun game, but also gross. What? Why is it like? Oh yeah. But it's an awesome game. It's like a tower defense, but it's awesome. But it's super hard. It's so awesome. You can make your own cats. Really? Why do I need to say cats so much in the Battle Cats? Cats! No one likes you. Shut up, Catson. Oh yeah, I was talking to Max in London.
This is the last time I'm coming to your house.
I'm in 6th grade. Goodbye. Buy this.
I like you.
Oh, look at that Pokemon. He's playing it right now. He's playing with my other tablet. I know it took a little bit. But I have one treasure. What's that? Yay! Cat food. He's a kid. Oh yeah, I upgraded some things. It was so funny. That's a cat with 5 arms and a sexy legs. So sexy. Cat with sexy legs. Yeah. Don't talk about it. Don't talk. Okay, let's do one of the battles. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you something. Display South Wapja. South Wapja. No, a hippo. Cat. Here comes the cat. Here comes the cat with arms. Here comes the cat that is gonna punch his way. He's gonna punch. You know, I tricked you guys. He doesn't punch. He just bites.